Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name's Natasha.
And I'm Kaylee.
Students, homecoming is coming up, and that means it's time to decide who will be our homecoming court for 2024.
Seniors who want to be a nominee must be nominated by a club, organization, or team on campus, and each club, organization, or team can only nominate one candidate each for king and queen through their staff sponsor or coach.
Underclassmen interested in running for Princess as Prince, Duchess as Dutch, Countess as Count can self-nominate.
All potential homecoming court candidates will need to attend a candidates meeting with Ms. Rock on one of the dates listed below before posting any campaign materials on campus or social media or risk disqualification.
Meetings will be held on the following dates and times: Thursday, September 26th after school at 3:35, or Friday, September 27th during the last 10 minutes of your assigned lunches.
These candidate meetings will be held in the chorus room, Building 2, Room 121.
As Ms. Jameer wants to thank all the juniors and seniors that have taken advantage of the school rep visits, remind your seniors and juniors of this week's college rep visits.
So far, we have had visits from college reps from Nova Southeastern University, FAMU, UCF, and FSU.
As a reminder, seniors and juniors, Florida Tech and Kaiser University are upcoming scheduled colleges that visit Heritage. You can still sign up for these at the counselor table in the cafeteria.
Please enjoy some of their highlights.
Panthers, thank you in helping celebrate Heritage Spirit Week. We have some pictures of those that participated.
Also, the ACE Spanish class celebrated the Heritage Latin Grammys conducting interviews. One student was the host and another the famous artist nominated for the Latin Grammys.
It was fun, and we learned about the artists as well as practicing asking content questions and responding with facts/details. Please enjoy the highlights.
In club news, are you interested in joining Spanish Club?
Spanish Club begins today and will be every Friday at 2:30 in Building 5, Room 201. 4.
Sportings news, make sure you come join us tonight as our varsity football team takes on Vero Beach High School. Game starts at 7 p.m.
The theme for tonight's game is red, white, and blue. We hope to see you there.
Panthers, our bowling team is off to a fantastic start of their season.
Check out some of the highlights from their game yesterday. As always, thank you for watching. Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!